Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this small ring LED portable photo studio. It comes even with 6 different background colors, has USB light, and it's very small, so that's the big thing here. So watch this thing, how small this really is. This is absolutely awesome. If you just go with a little bit of a larger size, then this packaging can get huge, I can tell you, and then it's very difficult to store and also difficult to build or like put them up, and this thing is absolutely amazing. So I'm trying to stay away from larger boxes. The only thing which I'm currently using are such smaller boxes. This is really helpful. I mean, it's a huge plus definitely to make some really nice images, especially if you want to sell some things online. This can help a lot. So let's open the packaging and see what we get. So we get even this nice storage bag here where everything fits nicely inside, and so this is what we get. We get these 6 different colors and the box itself, and as you can see, the light is already included, so you don't have to mount it or glue it, something like that. So everything is already pre-built, and it comes also with these short instructions here, and you can see it's definitely very easy to do. Here you can see also the specs. So the only thing which we have here is to align these buckles. Here we have the openings and we have these buckles here, and so we have to align them and push them inside and push them to the edge here, as you can see, and then everything is holding up nicely. So I really love how easy this is. We don't have to deal with different parts or so. Everything is already in one single part here. So this is definitely something everybody can do. This is not too difficult for nobody, and the whole thing is finished in about only 2 minutes or so. Would even be possible without any instructions. And so we can see we are already ready after 2 minutes, and now we can select one of these really nice different 6 colors. So I go with the white for now, and the color sheet we just put over these flaps here in the back. Just push them over, then pull it down. Same thing here on this side. So that was super easy, and you can see now we are totally ready. The box is 100% ready to shoot. Now of course we need a power source for the USB, but can be any kind of power bank or other USB power supply. And now let's turn on the light here, and you can see it's total different thing. Really nice, really absolutely nice illumination. The shade here is absolutely minimized thanks to the really nice ring light which we can see here. Absolutely phenomenal. And so we can also see the different light settings here which we can change. You can see, so here we have the warm light, we have the cold light, and we have both of the lights now. We can increase or decrease the brightness. You can make it very, very bright. Of course, my camera is now adapting to the different lighting settings, so it's difficult to see the difference, but here you can see the difference in real life. So let's change the color temperature again, and you can see when I switch through the 3 different color temperatures, there's a huge difference. And so we can increase the brightness. Yeah, it's phenomenal. This is super bright. This is like daylight, but you can also make it darker to make it look like more natural, especially if you have some natural light around. So a huge difference. You have a lot of possibilities. This is absolutely awesome. And of course we also have an opening here from the top which you can use for your camera. So this is super flexible. So I think this could be absolutely perfect for smaller productions, smaller products. So it's very small to store, but still very flexible, very powerful, very versatile. I think this is as good as it gets in this class. So from my side, full recommendation. And it's also absolutely amazing to see at what really super low price this thing is available. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.